guy David Odell here. Now we're going to announce the winners of the Milwaukee Smart Level. Here they are. We have John Cusack and Abraham Noriega. Now on the next one we're going to be doing, we have another new equipment here. It's an automatic sprayer backpack. We're going to be testing it out on this job also for the first time. Plus I'm thinking about doing another giveaway on a couple of these. And then we're going to do a comparison, old school pump up versus backpack. When a guy puts this on and he's a finisher, he becomes a one-man band at that point, because you can start kneeboarding it, spraying it. You got this on your back, eliminate a whole nother guy basically. That's the idea behind this versus this. And then also, if this is on your back, you don't have to look for a place to set it down on the wet concrete. A lot of times what happens when you're using something like this, you have to put it on the ground just to pump it. And then you're on wet concrete, what are you going to do? Put it on your knee board, maybe put it on the concrete. Just a real burden basically. This on your back is going to eliminate all that. Setting it in the dirt, tracking it onto the concrete, all those things. This stays up out of the dirt, out of the concrete. That's why I think this is going to be ideal for this situation for concrete. Anyway, stay tuned. Again, there's your winners. Have a good one. Stay tuned. Out.